Welcome to SmartWeb YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you other platforms that I've tried that you can actually use to make money, apart from Amazon KDP. In this YouTube channel, it's all about tech review, it's all about a lot of things that we do here. We don't just base on one thing. So anything that I see that will actually help you out, I will actually post it on this YouTube video. Only thing you will do for me is please subscribe to the YouTube channel, share to your friends, tell your friends about the YouTube channel, comment anything that you want me to do. Actually comment on the comment section, and appreciate the effort. That's the only thing you can help us do. So today I'll be showing you two platforms that I've actually started using recently, and it works. So apart from Amazon KDP, so let's dive straight into it. Now the number one is called PromptBase. Now this platform, what do you do in this platform? In this platform you actually sell prompts. Now what's just simple way, what is prompt is just those instruction that you give to AI to actually give you what you want. Now to actually, maybe it may be for writing, it may be for generation of pictures and all that. So this is a very good platform now to use. Now in PromptBase, when you log in, you click on sell. When you click on sell, you can actually see a lot of things. You can sell ChatGPT prompt. You can sell ChatGPT prompt and other things. Let me go back because I've been trying to prepare something here. Let me go back. So when you click on sell prompt, you can see you can choose text or video. Now when you click on text, you see different AI prompts. You see DeepSeek, Cloud, Gemini, ChatGPT, and all that. So here you can actually select the type of prompt you want to share. You may be DeepSeek. DeepSeek is the new AI in town and all that. AI generation, suggest the title for your prompt. I was working on something, that's why you are seeing all this for ChatGPT. Now you can set the price and all that. Now if you come here, you can also choose video. You can select the AI. These are the AIs that you can actually um select for your prompting for the video and all that. So this is a very good platform. Images, you can see different AI images prompt that you can sell. So it depends on your niche and you want to do. Now someone will ask, how do you actually you can see, let me show you my public profile here. You can see SmartWave Tech, at SmartWave Tech, at SmartWave Tech, Dynamic and all that. So this is actually your you can customize yours to be like this and all that, and get followers. If you can see now, I have 0 followers because I've not actually started posting. I'm working on a very good prompt, but I just want to show you. Now someone will ask, how do you actually withdraw the money? Now let me show you something. From them, how the payout works on PromptBase. Now payment from PromptBase is connected to bank account occur within the following condition I meant. Your account is at least 30 days old. So your account must be 30 days old for you to actually qualify to be paid, and you have reached available balance of this. 30 days old is just 1 month. You have reached available balance of this, which is $30. Now it is the first of the month and all that, blah blah blah. So you can actually go through this. Now your balance is this. If you can see from here, if you have a balance of this, you can pay that. Now they can pay you out. The threshold payment is $30. Do you understand? Now this actually their payments dashboard. If you can see now, they use one of the things they use in payment is Stripe. So if you don't have a Stripe account, you can actually get one. And they see early payment. You can initiate an early payment to pay out your account balance, even if it's below the minimum threshold or it's not the correct day of the payment cycle that you are on. Creating an early payment will incur this charge. Do you understand? If you want to make an early payment, this they will charge you apart from the day that they actually send that payment. Now if there is more than $10 in your prompt base, yes, you will subtract the early payment fee from balance. Otherwise the fee is taken via card payment. So early payments can only initiated if the following condition are met. There are more than this in your account, and also your account is at least 30 days old. So this is a very good platform for you to actually, you can see they are explaining everything with a screenshot here, so you can actually go through them. Then another platform I will actually show you, so you can actually make use of this prompt base. Is a very good, but you have to learn how to go about some of these things. They have a lot of things uh in here for you. You don't just start posting and all that. Now another one I will show you that I've started using also is what we call the vocal media. Now vocal media is also a very good platform. Now here, all you need to do, you start posting stories. You can see from here, earn $3.8 per 1,000 reads. Now vocal media, when you post your stories, when there's a read on it, I started posting yesterday, 1,000 reads of this story will give you $3.8. That's what it means. That's what it means. Now you can read about the earning and all that. You can read about it, so how it works. You can see it how it works. So this is also a very good platform for you to earn. Now I have actually created stories. You can see my published stories here with pictures. I did it in part one, part two, part three, part four, for people that want to read it. Now you can check the stats. I just posted yesterday. You can check only one total reads and all. So, but consistency actually give you that consistency, you make your money. That's just the whole thing. Everything you are doing, you have to be consistent uh, on it. Now I will continue to post more stories. So this is a very good platform for you to make money also. And they have their subscription. Now, if you subscribe to them, what it means is this. When you upgrade, what it means is this: you can be able to edit your stories. For example, yesterday I made mistake in actually posting my stories, and what happened was the I can't edit it, so I have to delete it and repost again. So when you subscribe to their this thing, you can actually what's it called, you can actually edit your story. So a lot of things for if you want to subscribe, but for now I've not made any subscription to them. Now you can check what other things. Wallets, we have checked wallets already, right? Let's see, stories, settings. Let's go to settings. Now you can see if you can connect your Stripe account. I've not connected. I will actually do that, but I'm just showing you. You are connected your Stripe, and when you connect it, what it means is that you enable paid subscription. Creators to you enable paid subscription. So let's read that: send you monthly recurring payment. The features. Now when you connect this feature will actually be available for you. Now what it means is that those people that like your stories, they will pay for them to read your story. So this is a very good platform also for you to actually make money from and all that. So you can try these two platforms out. You see the way I'm trying to make money from them and all that. So there are a lot of other platforms, but this is what I've actually tried out, and it's actually very straightforward for you to use out. But only thing is that you have to have a Stripe account. If you're not in all these countries that are not as a Stripe account is not allowed, you can actually you know search up how to get them. There are some companies that will help you to get them and set it up in some of these countries. So if you have any question, you can drop on the comment section. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment and all that. Thank you for your support. At least we are improving.